Welcome to our full guide on how to add a new story to your highlights on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile page. Next, locate and tap on your existing highlights section on your profile. This is where you can manage and add new stories to your highlights. Within your highlights, tap on Add New at the bottom of the screen to initiate the process of adding a new story to your highlights. After tapping Add New, select the content you want to include in your highlight. You can choose from your existing stories or create a new one specifically for your highlight. Once you've selected the content, tap Add More to confirm your choice. Finally, tap Save to add the new story to your highlights collection. By following these steps, you can effortlessly enhance your Facebook profile with engaging and personalized stories showcased in your highlights section. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to add a new story to your highlights on Facebook. Elevate your profile and share your memorable moments with your friends and followers through your highlighted stories.